Today I'm going to be showing you how to draw a portrait, but at an angle. First thing that we do, we're going to draw the basic shape. So I'm going to start with the circle for the head. And it starts off with a circular shape right up here that goes down around the cheeks. If we know that cheekbones kind of end right here, that means that the chin's going to be somewhere approximately down this way. So I'm going to kind of curve it down here like this and curve it back up. And we know that the model is kind of at an angle. So I'm going to make the chin go down kind of at an offset triangle right here. Now next, what I'm going to do, I'm going to draw the center line, and the center line changes. If you have a person that is, say, looking at you dead on, then your center line is going to be dead center, obviously. Well, this person is not looking dead on. Instead, they're looking at an angle. So like this, the center line is going to be kind of like that right there. And this way, the person is actually looking downward like this. So the eyes are going to be looking like that. She's not really looking down. She's more looking up and towards us. So the headline is actually going to be right about here. Center face will be right about there, just not as pronounced. Now the eyes are actually going to be curving up around the sphere. So the eyes are going to be kind of like that right there, because she is looking up and also kind of down at us. So she's like showing us the bottom of her chin. We're going to determine how far apart her eyes are. And just from eyeballing it, I would say it's going to be right about here. And you may notice that it's closer to the center on this side than it is this side. And that's because the way that we are looking at her with her head tilted, it's going to be like that. Now we're going to measure this, and we're going to determine how far apart her eyes are. So it's going to be right about there. And the same thing over here. So we're going to take that, pull it over here, and we're going to see that the edge of her eye kind of lays right about. Next is the corner of the nose. Halfway from the eye line, bottom of the chin, right there. Nose is going to be right about there. Halfway from the nose line to the chin, there's going to be the bottom of the lip. Okay, corner of the nose comes down, and we're going to curve it around with that line, and it's going to end right about there. Same thing over here. There's the corner of the nose. So using this, we're going to look at our model, determine where her nose is in relation to her face. Mouth right here, we already know bottom of the chin. We're going to line up the center of the eyes right here. There's the corner of the mouth, center of the eye, center corner of the mouth. Curves up, kind of goes flat right around there, and curves back down. Okay, and the eyes. We really made our nose too big, but that's okay. We will go back and fix that later. And then we go in and we define the rest of our lines. So at this point, yeah, she looks a little strange, but this is where we already have all of our basic shapes, and we go in and we fix everything else. We make it look more like the model. Your assignment today, you're going to be drawing two portraits at an angle. The first one is going to be following along with me. The second one, you're going to be looking up your very own picture online and drawing somebody at an angle using the rule of halves. Thank you all very much. I hope you enjoyed the lesson, and I'll see you in the next video.